The question now we have on the board is exercise question 2.18. The question is calculate the mass of a non-volatile solute, molar mass equals to 40 gram per mole, which should be dissolved in 114 gram of octane to reduce its vapor pressure by 80%. This question is based on relative lowering of vapor pressure. So we can use the relation for relative lowering in vapor pressure. Let's solve it. Relative lowering in vapor pressure of solvent equal to relative lowering in vapor pressure of solvent delta P upon P naught equal to N2 upon N1. So the vapor pressure is to be reduced to 80%. So lowering in vapor pressure will be 20%. So we can write it as 20 upon 100, or we can take it as 100 minus 80 upon 100 equal to N2. N2 is number of moles of solute. So we have to find mass of solute W upon molar mass. Molar mass is given 40. So we are using 40. Then number of moles of solvent. So mass of solvent is given 114 gram and molar mass of octane is also 114. So relative lowering in vapor pressure of solvent delta P upon P naught is equal to N2 upon N1 plus N2, that is mole fraction of solute. Now change in pressure. So we have to reduce the vapor pressure of octane by 80%. So we can use this 100 minus 80 upon 100 equal to number of moles of solute. So we have to find the mass of solute divided by molar mass, which is 40 given here. Then N1 is mass of solvent upon molar mass of solvent, which is also 114 in case of octane, plus W upon 40. Now this equation we will get as 20 upon 100 equal to W upon 40 upon 1 plus W upon 40. This we can cancel. This will come 1 upon 5. So we can write 1 plus W upon 40 equal to 5W upon 40. If we transfer this, we will get 1 equal to 5W upon 40 minus W upon 40. This thing we will get 4W upon 40 equal to 1. We can cancel this. We will get W upon 10. So finally W equal to 10. So this is the mass of solute required to dissolve in octane, 114 gram octane, to reduce its vapor pressure by 80%. So the answer for the question is 10 gram.